Test your fruits spelling knowledge in this 20 questions quiz. You only have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let's go. Can you spell banana? Correct. Let's spell it together. B A N A N A. Can you spell apple? Well done. Let's spell it. A P P L E. Can you spell grapes? That's right. Let's spell it. G R A P E S. Can you spell pineapple? Excellent. Let's spell it. P I N E A P P L E. Can you spell orange? Great choice. Let's spell it. O R A N G E. Can you spell peach? You got it. Let's spell it. P E A C H. Can you spell strawberry? Amazing. Let's spell it. S T R A W B E R R Y. Can you spell blueberry? Yes, that's correct. Let's spell it. B L U E B E R R Y. Can you spell watermelon? Nice work. Let's spell it. W A T E R M E L O N. Can you spell lemon? Great job. Let's spell it. L E M O N. Can you spell kiwi? Well done. Let's spell it. K I W I. Can you spell dates? That's correct. Let's spell it. D A T E S. Can you spell dragon fruit? Fantastic. Let's spell it. D R A G O N F R U I T. Can you spell plum? You got it. Let's spell it. P L U M. Can you spell pomegranate? Perfect. Let's spell it. P O M E G R A N A T E. Can you spell guava? Yes. Let's spell it. G U A V A. Can you spell papaya? Correct. Let's spell it. P A P A Y A. Thanks for watching Kiddo's Knowledge World. Please subscribe for more useful content. Kiddo's Knowledge World.